Culinary delights, a gourmet journey through Saudi Arabia's unforgettable cuisine. Saudi Arabia, a sprawling kingdom steeped in history and rich cultural heritage, enchants not only with its breathtaking natural landscapes and architectural wonders, but also with its culinary delights. A diverse and tantalizing array of traditional dishes awaits those who venture into the vibrant world of Saudi cuisine, as ancient recipes pass down through the generations entwined with contemporary culinary innovations to create an unforgettable gourmet experience. Tour Store takes pride in curating bespoke travel itineraries that awaken all the senses and provide a captivating insight into the heart and soul of Saudi Arabia. Our expertly crafted culinary tours invite the discerning traveler to embark on a gastronomic adventure of a lifetime, uncovering the flavors, techniques, and traditions that define Saudi Arabia's astounding culinary landscape. From the bustling street food markets of Jeddah and Riyadh to the sumptuous banquet halls of the desert's finest dining establishments, we guide you down a path of delectable discovery that leaves no stone unturned in the pursuit of culinary transcendence. Join us on this mouth-watering sojourn through the sensational flavors that unite, inspire, and invigorate the people of Saudi Arabia. 1. The essence of Arabia, culinary staples in Saudi cuisine. Delve into the heart of Saudi Arabia's culinary identity by exploring the nation's quintessential dishes and flavors. Kabsa. The ultimate Saudi comfort food, kabsa is an exquisite rice dish flavored with a blend of aromatic spices and tender, slow-cooked meat, frequently served up as the centerpiece of family gatherings and festive celebrations. Mutabak. This delicious stuffed pancake is a favorite street food in Jeddah and across the kingdom. Filled with a scrumptious combination of eggs, vegetables, and minced meat, mutabak offers a delectable fusion of flavors, expertly encased in a paper-thin golden crust. 2. A feast for the senses, the world of Saudi street food. Experience the vibrancy of Saudi Arabia's bustling street food scene, where mouth-watering delicacies are served up at every turn. Shawarma. One of the region's most beloved street food treats, shawarma is a succulent, marinated meat dish cooked on a vertical spit and served in a flatbread, garnished with pickles, garlic sauce, or tahini. Falafel. These delectable deep-fried balls made from ground chickpeas are a popular snack enjoyed throughout Saudi Arabia. Savor the crisp exterior and tender interior of these scrumptious morsels, served alongside creamy tahini sauce or stuffed into pita bread with fresh vegetables. 3. A royal feast, traditional banquet experiences in Saudi Arabia. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of a traditional Saudi Arabian banquet, where lavish culinary offerings tantalize your taste buds. Mandi. Discover the enchanting flavors of mandi, a fragrant and succulent centerpiece dish made with slow-cooked meat and spiced rice, traditionally served at elaborate gatherings and feasts. Served over raised platforms, the meat is often marinated in a blend of aromatic spices, then cooked underground with fragrant basmati rice to create an unforgettable dining experience. Klycha. Indulge your sweet tooth with klycha, a sumptuous Saudi Arabian dessert that comprises date-filled biscuits, lovingly rolled and stamped with intricate designs before being baked to perfection. Enjoy these delectable sweets as the perfect accompaniment to aromatic Arabic coffee, freshly brewed over an open flame. 4. Modern Saudi Arabia, a culinary renaissance through innovation and adaptation. Witness the fusion of tradition and innovation as the kingdom's contemporary culinary scene thrives with creative reinterpretations of classic recipes. Farm-to-table dining. Experience the freshest flavors at Saudi's farm-to-table establishments, where locally sourced ingredients take the spotlight in dishes that celebrate the kingdom's agricultural bounty and culinary heritage. Stylish gourmet cafes. Saudi Arabia's contemporary dining scene is thriving with chic gourmet cafes that offer an innovative twist on classic dishes, blending the iconic flavors of the nation's cuisine with global culinary trends. Conclusion: The rich and diverse culinary landscape of Saudi Arabia offers a gastronomic adventure like no other, enticing your senses and igniting your passion for authentic Arabian cuisine. From the bustling street food markets to the enclaves of traditional banquets and the captivating fusion of contemporary gourmet experiences, Saudi Arabia's culinary offerings embody the essence of a kingdom steeped in history, culture, and an unparalleled zest for life. Join Tour Store on an unforgettable culinary journey through the heart of Saudi Arabia's extraordinary gastronomic landscape, where each taste sensation transports you to the nation's captivating heritage. Embrace the flavors, aromas, and scintillating experiences that await you as you embark on a savory sojourn filled with unforgettable dishes that sing the praises of Arabia's timeless culinary magic. Book your bespoke culinary tour with Tour Store today and let us guide you through the tantalizing world of Saudi Arabia's cuisine, enticing your senses and enriching your soul with every unforgettable bite. Visit our website today to explore our tour packages.